5 foods that decrease creatinine. Creatinine is a substance that results from the natural breakdown of creatine in muscle. It is filtered by the kidneys and excreted in urine. When the kidneys aren't functioning properly, creatinine levels in the blood can increase. While there are no specific foods that directly decrease creatinine levels, a balanced diet can help maintain kidney health and indirectly control creatinine levels. Here are some foods that may be beneficial for kidney health. Water. Staying well hydrated is essential for kidney health. Water helps dilute the concentration of creatinine in the blood, making it easier for the kidneys to filter. Leafy green vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and lettuce are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that can support kidney health. They are also low in protein, which can reduce the workload on the kidneys. Omega-3, rich fish. Fish such as salmon, sardines, and tuna contain omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may be beneficial for kidney health. Fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables are important sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect the kidneys. Opt for fruits like apples, strawberries, blueberries, and vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and pumpkin. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, oats, and quinoa are healthy sources of carbohydrates that provide energy without overloading the kidneys with excess protein. While these foods may be beneficial for kidney health, it's important to consult a doctor or nutritionist for specific guidance, especially if you have kidney issues or are undergoing treatment for compromised kidney function. Additionally, it's essential to balance the diet with other factors, such as weight management, blood sugar levels, and blood pressure. Subscribe now to our health channel and stay updated with the latest information and tips for a healthier life. Join us and be part of this journey towards well-being. Don't waste time, click the subscribe button, and start transforming your health today.